After a long day's drive, we finally made it here to the border of Myanmar, just right outside of it. I don't know how many kilometers, but we're not too far from it. We're going to stay here one night, and tomorrow morning we're going to be getting ready to hike Mulayit mountain. So
Holy mountain.
yeah, it's a holy mountain. It's overnight, and you have to be to make reservations. You just can't show up. So it's a group of us going. They're going to take us into a 4x4 truck early in the morning, and then we're going to be on our way. So we're going to show a little bit more around here. I'm going to go have a beer. She's getting stuff ready, and man, it's beautiful. Let me show you guys real quick. So this is our view. I guess they have live entertainment right here when there is some. There's the traveling Tiv adventure truck, Sasquatch edition. Actually, it's the bushcraft edition. But this is our homestay we're staying in tonight. It's the Homestay 2. Really, really nice, clean, very modern, cold air conditioner, comfortable bed, and up there's the I guess you could say cafe. I'm gonna go up there and have a beer. But the mountains are way back there in the background. Let me see if I can zoom in. So way back there, if you guys can see that. I have a feeling that's where we're headed tomorrow. So, all right, you guys, thanks for following, and be sure to watch more videos. Thank you. This is all my stuff for the overnight hiking trip up to the mountain. I got to get everything in one bag, so I'm going to put everything in that bag right there. So I got my lantern, a light, socks, a hoodie. This is my cot that I'm going to sleep on, my tent. This is the cot pad, and my clothes. And this is my blanket, extra pillow. That's a camp pillow, tripod, my trail shoes, and my gas can, butane. So just a little bit of what I'm bringing. It looks like a lot, but it's not really once you get it in the bag. So yeah, it's just gonna be for overnight, and looking forward to it. Really excited about it. It's my first time here. It's gonna be my first time in Myanmar. All right, Peng's getting her stuff ready too. Hers is much neater than mine though.
Because I'm a woman.
Yeah, because you're a woman. I got you. I hope so. If you're a man, I'm in the wrong homestay. No, I did. All right, we're packed in here like fish in a can, like sardines. It'll be 4 hours of this driving.
It's not that.
Young Wa, I know we're not there yet. I'm tired. วัสดีครับ
นี่เป็นหลังใหญ่
สวัสดีครับ สวยมาก
บ้านสุดท้ายก่อนจะขึ้นไป
Okay, we stopped in a local village here in Myanmar. We're, I guess, in a small village of some sort, but we're gonna get some coffee and some water. Sweaty Hap.
You need to say Mingalaba.
Oh, she waved earlier. The one in the green, the one in the green. Yes. Yeah. All right, I'm walking back to somebody's backyard. I've got to go to the bathroom. That's where it is.
Nên làผมอยู่แค่ไม่เท่าไหร่แค่ประมาณ4-5 เดือนมาแต่ผมไปอยู่พวกเกมมาก่อนอยู่พวกเกมเนี่ย7 ปีแล้วก็ได้รู้ได้
This is crazy. Craziest thing I think I've done. Besides flying to Thailand. It's a 4-hour ride. I'll find out what the elevation is once we get off this puppy. Oh my gosh. Oh. Young walk. Oh. Still going. Still going. Yeah. Oh. Got my warrior face on. I blend in with it. The locals. Oi. Well, there's a sheer drop off. Right there. Yeah. Okay, so we taking a break. We're halfway up, and if you guys are wondering what's on my face, It's like sunblock, but it's natural sunblock. It's also a traditional thing that they wear locally. So, but yeah, man, at a small little, I guess you could say it's a village. I don't know.
Có sắp bài mà. Ủa,นั่งแบบนี้น่าจะสบายสบายไหม
Alright. ขับรถดีๆนะ ครับผม Oh my gosh, there's the edge.
That's his baby going.
Oh, that's the edge. Oh. That's where we're heading right there. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna chip my teeth on this rail. Oh. I lost my wallet, I think. Oh, I highly support suggesting this ride. It's really good. The most safest ride in Myanmar. We're on the back of a Toyota Hilux 2.8 diesel 4x4. Oh my gosh. Oh, we gotta walk down. Sweaty hat, sweaty hat. Sweaty cap, sweaty cap. La mak, la mak. This is where we're gonna walk. We're gonna have to hike down from here. I think it's a little bit over a kilometer. So, man, we're at the top. Clouds are right behind us. Sway Mak. Oh, clearest blue skies I've seen. Sweaty hap. All right, so we got to get our stuff down.
How was it?
Good. Good for you? Yeah. We're here finally. Man. Yeah. Okay, well, Pang picked out the best spot. Everybody else went that way on the other side of that ridge. We're on this side of the ridge, and we have that view, and we have this view. We're literally on the point, on the ridge back of the mountain. But look at this view, you guys. One of the most beautiful spots I've ever camped in my life. Oh man, this is like the most extreme camping I've ever done. And we're in Myanmar, Burma. So 4 hours in a truck, uphill, switchbacks, 4-wheel drive, a bump. I mean, it was extreme. There was one moment where we actually rolled backwards. We had to, everybody got scared, started screaming. But it's a risk. It's a risk you take, man, to do stuff like this. I mean, look at that. All right, I'm gonna have to put my microphone on because it's windy. All right, here we go. glad the wind's blowing a little bit. Forget them foam pads. Who needs foam pads when you got
You're dead.
a cot?
My hand cold. You what?
I'm in a predicament. I can't get this out.
You want to get it out for us?
I gotta flip it over.
เสร็จแล้วนะคะที่นอนของเรา
Yours is, I like your opening on the side like that.
Hmm?
I like it opening like this. All right, we're on top of the most beautiful spot here in Myanmar, camping for one night. Pang and I, we hiked in and look at that view. There's a temple at the top, but man, woo, it's supposed to be cold tonight.
เข้าห้องน้ำอาบน้ำ
Got my food, got my view, and got my woman. Okay, we're gonna take a nap. It's about 12:30, and we're gonna lay down for a little bit. We just had lunch, so I'm gonna take this time to rest up. It's beautiful. I'm gonna take this opportunity to lay down. We've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. Had a long day, long ride. Catch you in a bit. You can see our tents way down here, right there, I think. I have to zoom in. I'm almost at the top. So there is Pang in my tent, right there. That's where we're camping. Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys can hear me okay. Wind's blowing. Just woke up. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. It's almost 6. Sun hasn't come up yet. It's about to. I'm gonna make some coffee, warm up. Got a little chilly. Got a little more than a little chilly last night. I was cold. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear us, but we're all packed up, ready to go. It's 8:15 in the morning, and we're gonna head back up that hill, and then all the way back over there. So, it's starting to get fog, clouds rolling in. But wonderful camp. It's not too cold now. So, thanks for watching, you guys, and be sure to give a thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't, give it a thumbs down, it's fine. And if you want to, subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. Thanks, you guys. See you on the next video. Ha ha ha.